Paper Systems is a problem solver for the industrial bulk container market for liquid disposable totes. We are the only BRC certified container manufacturer in North America. And we really strive to differentiate ourselves with our customer service. Paper Systems started out in 1986 and has grown from humble beginnings. We're still a family organization, and as a result we have tremendous stability within our management team. With our BRC certification, it allows us to ensure our customers that they're getting the highest quality of packaging to be compliant with the regulations of today's industrial markets. It allows us to ship across town and be able to save customers not only on warehouse space but on inbound freight. Allows us to ship East Coast, West Coast. The benefit of Des Moines, Iowa is it's truly the crossroads of the United States. I-35 and I-80, you can get to the West Coast LTL in just a matter of 3 or 4 days. East Coast, 2 to 3 days. Mexico, Canada, very quickly. And then we also have the ability to service international customers in a prompt fashion. We have the ability for being able to execute a mock recall for customer requirements within just a very short time and be able to have 100% traceability. The fact that our products are made in the USA is a very large appeal to our customers that we service throughout the United States. Sure. Paper Systems has had tremendous success from really coming out of adversity. And back in 1993, we experienced in the span of 63 days a fire. And then 63 days later, we were victims of the widespread floods of the Midwest. And throughout both disasters, we did not miss one ship date with a customer, nor did we have any interruption in production. We were able to hit the ground running. Our small size, our flexibility, and our speed to respond really allowed us to persevere through that adversity. And when people ask, what is your contingency plan for disaster, we've actually lived it. And most organizations just have it in paper and then they keep their fingers crossed that they never have to use it. We've actually used it, and we have been stronger as a result.